Working with Kane International, we helped introduce lean practices that led to a 50% space reduction, a 60% improvement in manpower efficiency, and a strong export growth. It's a great example of how targeted support can deliver real results.
Kane International sells essential instruments that are used to test the emissions of any fossil fuel boiler, any combustion engine, any process requiring the burning of fuel, but also non-fossil fuel products like heat pumps and air conditioning and refrigeration systems. The Manchester Growth Hub has been very important for our business because they've enabled us to upscale the training that we deliver to our teams in order to make sure that we are as productive as we possibly can be.
The major business challenges that Kane were facing when Jonathan and I first had a conversation were around the lack of continuous improvement skills across the whole of the shop floor or the whole of the organisation. So as with all of our conversations with clients, we tried to dig as deep as we could to try and understand what Jonathan really needed from the team. You know, trying to look at the business growing and how we could upskill the team to prepare for the business to grow. So we decided on a set of workshops. Jonathan and I created the workshops together, focused around, you know, the continuous improvement methodologies, some leadership skills, some basic continuous improvement and problem-solving methodologies.
So within Kane International, we are trying to improve our operations, and that means introducing lean thinking. And it's quite difficult to teach the workforce the philosophy of lean thinking. And working with the Manchester Growth Hub, we've been very lucky to have experts come into the business and teach the fundamentals of lean thinking. And this has enabled our business to improve our productivity by doing more and more with less and less.
Greater Manchester is the fastest growing city region in the UK, and we've got plans for even more growth in the next decade. And it's really important to us to have companies like Kane International who are on the same journey with us, doing so many good things. Work experience students, T-level students, investing in the next generation, but also taking everything that Greater Manchester has got to offer to build their own growth with us, growing Kane International as we grow Greater Manchester. It's a great partnership. Well, we are a city region that really values the public-private partnership that we have. And when businesses invest here, we don't take it for granted. Once they're here, they're a partner of ours and we work to support them. So our Business Growth Hub does a great job in supporting companies like Kane. And you know, when we're committed to each other, the ongoing backing is there from the Greater Manchester level.